The artisan is, even today, our artisan is um, a very innocent, if that's for the choice of word, person. A lot of people uh, have cheated them again for, because people get sampling done, people get orders done, don't pay. I think that if you one is establishing a direct rapport with the craftsperson. Like I said, when I was doing home, we were directly dealing with the craftsperson. When you deal directly, then you understand his pain and you understand his needs, and you are able to work much better rather than through aggregators and 2 or 3 or 4 different people. Then I think as long as you build a rapport and you place orders and you buy the stock from them and not work on consignment, don't let the craftsperson bear the financial loss of holding inventory. It can't go wrong. See, if as an entrepreneur, Fab India bought all the inventory. The artisan was assured that he would get his money if after he produced. And that was the comfort that gave them the ability to produce, buy yarn, and go for it. Fab India also gave advances, by the way. So you have to work hand in hand. These are small people. If you're working directly with craftisans, you have to understand that they don't have a financial, to either hold inventory or to produce. So you have to work with them. You have to help them on that, and then they are yours. They won't let you down then.
Yeah, so the entrepreneur also must come in with a little bit of financial heft, no?
Absolutely. If he wants to work with the craft person, they don't have the financial bandwidth. Because the guys who have by the way, there's lots of people who've made a lot of money in the craft sector, and those are the aggregators. What happens is that in a village, suppose there's embroidery being done. The 1 or 2 people who are, of course, the more enterprising, you have to give it to them. They're the more enterprising people. They will, let's say, come to you and say, I will do the embroidery. So they will, of course, take their margin, which is fine. And lots of people have made lots of money like this, becoming the aggregator, whether it is printing, whether...
Those aggregators, typically, have you seen them to be fair?
No. If I'm an it depends on if I find that the other person's need is more, I will milk it. Yes. So what Fab India did by dealing directly with the artisans is that they got their money on time, they got the orders on time, and that's something that you need to do if you really, really want to work with them.